Hello.
I feel it too. You know what I've come for. Together, we will destroy the Resistance and the Last Jedi.
That's right, everyone. Star Wars and VR. So head over to Steam, buy the game. It's £15. It's the bargain. Download, install the game like you would any other Steam game. Okay, so next, let's go over to Nexus Mods. Go to Game, Blade and Sorcery. Scroll down, we got this one here, the Outer Rim. Click that. Okay, so if you want to manually download this, you can do that, and I'll show you how to do it. Or you can download and install Vortex from Nexus Mods and do it that way. So, the manual method, click the manual button, come down here, click manual download. So go down, we want the slow download because that's the only one I've signed up to. Okay, so this mod doesn't require any other mods to be installed. If we scroll down, there is some pictures. We can see there's some new maps, got lightsabers, Jedi battles, etc. So again, you don't need any extra mods already installed. Go ahead, hit that manual download button. This is like the base mod. If you want to add on any extra Star Wars mods, you will need this one. So go ahead, hit that manual button, download it to the desktop, and now we will have... Here we have our zip folder. We want to open this up. Let's just extract it first to our desktop. Okay, so then we can take the mod itself. We want to right click, copy, go to our Steam folder where you have the game installed. So mine's on the D drive. Then we've got Steam folder, Steam apps, common. Then we want Blade and Sorcery. Then we want Blade and Sorcery data. Then we want streaming assets. And then what we do is we just paste it into here, which is this folder here, the Outer Rim. Simple. That's all you need to do. Then load the game up. Right, so we just load up Blade and Sorcery like normal. Here's my character, my cool dude that I used to chop heads off with. Hey-ya! Anyway, that was weird. So, if we go to our map, there's some extra maps on here from different mods. Let's go to a Star Wars map. Let's go to the cloning facility. Oh, wow, look at this. Oh, right, where's the book? Where's the book? So, we look in the book, and if the mod has been installed correctly, obviously it has, because we're now on a Star Wars map. If we scroll down, look, we got blasters. Look, you can go pew pew. Spawn one of those in. Pew 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 pew. Yeah. Let's see what else we got. Let's go back. Hey, look, we got lightsabers. You can get Darth Maul ones, double-ended ones. And what's this one? Ah, this is like what's his name? Dooku's. Oh. Okay, so if we come over to the book, let's see what we got. We got the old section. No, we haven't. We just got the Star Wars section. Yeah, Star Wars. Here we go. We've got Star Wars, Jedi Boss. Look, Star Wars Training. Let's go up. Jedi Boss. Do Star Wars Endless. And then we got regular Star Wars. So let's go for... Should we go for a Sith ambush? Can we just go for an epic battle? What's this? The Emperor has asked you to do the worst of deeds. Oh, that's where you kill the little ones. Got this one. The Emperor has asked his minions to do the worst of deeds. Oh, protect the younglings. Coolio. Fight after 3 Tusken Raiders. Sith defense. Help protect the Sith against the Jedi attack. Yeah. Let's do that. Where are they? Oh shoot! They... Ah! Yeah! Come on! Just kill this woman! Yeah! Yeah! Oh, it's lagging! Yeah! Oh god! Whoa! Oh, cut his head off! else we got? Oh, I've been shot by some tall spat! What's that? You're leading the way, victory. Fight among your people to end the Empire's tyranny. Cool. And then we come down here, look, we got all these extra add-ons, Sith Defense. Let's try the Temple Guardian. That's his minions do the worst of deeds. You must protect the youngins. Yeah, let's do that one. Where are you, little younglings? I will protect you. Where are they? I don't know where they are. Hello? I can't help you, younglings. Ah! Yeah! Pew! 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 Yeah! Oh, I just saw some younglings over there. Where'd they go? Oh. Yeah! Who wants some? Wait, I hear some younglings. I'm coming, younglings. I'm coming, younglings. Oh my god, there's loads of them. Get wrecked. Hiya! Oh my god. Hiya! Let's try using the force. Let's try using the force. Hiya! Oh no! Ah! Kia! 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 Hoo! Judo! Did I win? Did I win? Whew. Heads are everywhere! I don't know what I meant by that. Wait, look, you can cut the legs off easier and... Hey, look, let's pick this head up. Get lost. Let's see what lightsabers they have. So we got this one. Oh, I stabbed myself. Remember, always pick up your lightsaber the right way round. Hey, look, I think I can even use the force. Look, hang on. Where is it? Oh. Yeah, I can force lightsaber people. Yo. Whoa. What other lightsabers are there? This one here. What's this one? This is a double ender. Yo. 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 What else we got? Oh, we got this one here. Here. Don't know how I meant to hold this one though. Yeah. Well, I'm getting carried away here anyway. I just wanted to show you this mod. It's really cool. I like the way you can cut people's heads off with lightsabers. You can, I think you can use this anyway. Actually, you can use the, kind of use the force. Look, watch this. I'll rip this guy's limbs off. Look. Hang on. There we go. Right, go. Oh, I hit the light. That was anticlimactic. Okay, so I just wanted to show you how to install this Star Wars mod. If you want to play it, download it. It's brilliant. The game itself is what? £15. Let's talk to this head. The game itself is only £15. The mod is free. Download it via Nexus, either manually or on that Vortex. I actually used the Vortex to install it. So, there we go. Thanks for watching this video. Please download the Star Wars mod. See you in the next one. Goodbye.